ladies night out. Actually, nag-chaperone kami sa anak niya at sa anak ko. Pero ewan namin kung nasan sila. Basta kami, mag-J ko. So, with BFF Gnet, this is for upload later. Hello, meet my bestie. Good night, guys. So, we're gonna keep it here. Not yet ended. Let's keep it here.
Pork.
Let me check if it's sweet already.
Try mo.
No, it's not. At least they're having brown sugar.
Yes, yes. Tawa sa akin sa Terubi eh. Kasi kanina nag-English na ako. Nakahawa na ako dito sa French eh.
Hawa lang ako kay Rina. Si Rina, mahilig man English. Shout out to our bestie, Rina, who's not around.
And Kathleen.
And Kathleen, they are already asleep. They don't want to go out. They want to stay home.
Rina, we miss you.
And be sad. So we want to be happy.
Thank you, Kathleen, for your time.
Yes.
Kanina.
We miss you, Rina. We wish you were here. You always tell me, I wish you're here. I'm here, but you're not here.
I love your hair.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Gigi Salon.
Yes, Gigi Salon and salon only. There's no spa. Gigi Salon, thank you so much for making me beautiful for tonight's video. She didn't charge me yet. I don't know. I hope it's gonna be free, you know. Thank you so much. I love you, Gigi Salon. I'm gonna post you in my Facebook channel, in my YouTube channel. We are crazy besties.
I love your hair.
Yeah, thank you so much. And yun lang, guys. Thank you.
Sabi
Thank you
ni
for
Kat
staying with
kanina,
us.
hindi ka talaga nagbago. You're still, still beautiful. Hindi ka
Thank you. Narinig nyo ba yun?
Kanina, diba?
Yun lang, guys. Bye. Say bye. Ang upload.